Okay, we're up on the third floor. Just came out of the social studies department. Now we're working our way back over here into the math area. So you can kind of see general hallways. Got an elevator right here, which is great. We have an elevator now where we should have an elevator. People don't have to walk so darn far. So what we've done is we have, in this area, we do not have every single teacher is going to have their own room. So wherever you see wood on the ceiling like this kind of tells you this is the teacher office area. So if you come in here, this will be a teacher office space. Obviously, we have some work to do on the walls where we're doing our punch listing right now. And we're finding little dings, and then they'll come in and fix them up, and then we'll come back and double check everything. But this will be the math area, math offices, and they'll have their own kitchenette and things like that, so we don't have to have one big cafeteria for staff members. So outside of each one of these, there'll be a little area right here where there'll be a monitor up on the wall. If they need to work with kids, they can come work with them right here. And everywhere close to a teacher office area, there's also a conference room that's real close. Multiple different kinds of rooms. So here's an open room. If we look over here to this side, this is a regular classroom that has 4 walls and a door. You kind of get into more of the area that's a little more open, that has a lot of glass, which is great for supervision. So this room right here, you can see has a regular door over here to the right, some nice glass that is permanent there. But if you look carefully in between this classroom and the classroom next to it, there's folding doors that can be opened to have one big classroom, or they can close them and have 2 separate classrooms. So again, this will be an area that is kind of an open classroom here. And then again, it goes right back into that other one. You continue down toward the end of the math department. This room in here, I think you'll need to go in there and take a look at that one. It has a pretty good view. This is kind of the best view of the whole site from our whole school. Obviously, not everything is completely finished at this time. They're still working on it, but this will be a beautiful space for our kids to learn. So again, here's another open classroom toward the end of the, teachers are kind of calling it the cul-de-sac. Over here to the left are those movable doors again, and then we got another one right over here to the left of it. It's a regular classroom. And then you'll see these scattered throughout the school. These are little bar areas that'll have stools next to them with kids will be able to charge their stuff there. They'll be able to do some homework, talk to each other, just kind of get the feel of almost a college campus. Where it's pretty neat. It's wide open where kids are just going to be able to have fun and do what they're supposed to do as high school kids. So this is a hallway. We're heading out toward the commons area again, and then this will take us over to the world languages and the art area. So here's a nice view right here. I'm looking south out toward the varsity softball field and Highway 14 and the practice fields. It's a nice view of the whole commons from the other side. We started way down there is the front entrance, and now we're on the far south side. Right below us, you will see the media center, and then it tucks it underneath here as well, but this will be the hub of the whole school. This is where a lot of things are going to happen. So we'll continue on into the world language and art. Now we're coming into the area that for world languages. A lot of them are kind of designed the same as the social studies in the math department, so you can kind of get the feel the same cul-de-sac feel to it. Or if you walk down here, you can kind of see, got a bathroom right over here to our left for this area. And then you have the open classroom, then you got your regular classrooms there as well. This area right here, obviously, with the wood on the ceiling, is the teacher office space. And here's another one of our bars for the kids to hang out with and do some work. We are now over in the art area. So this will have a lot of computers in it. The graphic arts teacher should be pretty happy with this. This is going to be a beautiful space for them. And then here's one of those big windows that'll be up in the classrooms, and this is 3rd floor, so this will be a great view for our kids. And like I said, we're trying to put learning on display, and we want to be able to make sure that what we're doing in the classrooms, everybody can see the great things that are happening in the Owatonna Public Schools. So that's why you're going to see a lot of glass in this building. So this is the art area. So we'll have 3 art rooms. Get some displays here for they can display their artwork. We'll have a clay room. We got a 2D and a 3D artwork. So we can kind of walk in here and take a look at this one. You'll see a lot of nice cabinets and stuff for the art teachers and kids. So we're gonna head out. These are big enough rooms that the number of square feet require two exits or 2 doors. So this is a nice little one here. We'll walk right out, and this is the second elevator that we have. And this elevator is mainly for this wing of the academic side, and also for the activities, whether it's music, the gymnasium, or the auditorium as well.